Hey guys, Mike Scully here. Today I want to talk about the top few skills that I think you should learn in 2024, and they're high income skills. These, if you learn these, you really can take advantage of the economy, your income, everything, and build a brand off it, build a company and a business from it that's going to be bulletproof into the future. Okay, so I'm going to list them kind of one by one, and the first one is landing pages. Landing pages and websites, let's include. Now, this is where I started myself. I think they're one of the most important things in the marketing scheme, in the marketing funnel that you need. Every company needs one, whether you're running ads, whether you just have a portfolio online. You must have a landing page or a website. You have to display your offer, you have to display what you're about your company, your benefits, what's the process of working with you. All this has to be displayed. You need to be able to purchase a product, you need to be able to book a call, whatever it is. This has to be put out there, okay? So every company needs one. Every online business needs a landing page or a website. This is what should be provided to them. I think it's really important. It's a fantastic skill. It's what I learned myself, what a lot of my students learn, and they're making bank from it. I've made over 20k months from landing pages and websites. I've had students do the exact same, scaling to 25k plus per month, right? Now, the next one is automations. My business partner actually does this, automation systems, things like that, right? It goes over my head a little bit. I don't have that techie mindset to or brain to understand a lot of the automations and flows and so on. But this is a highly profitable niche to be in and part of the industry to be in. Super profitable. You can charge absolute bank. He's charged 10, 15k for projects. It's absurd the amount of money that you can charge. So never underestimate, to be honest with any skill, never underestimate how much you can charge. It's more than you think. It doesn't matter where you're from, you can charge premium rates if you're providing a premium service. All right. So after that, automations now, let's get deeper. You can learn Zapier, you can learn Make. My business partner learned primarily Zapier, but he's done some projects with Make, but he outsources them pretty much. Right. So these are options that you do have. Now, after that, you can learn email marketing. I think email marketing is a fantastic skill that is provided in low quantity but high quality at the moment. So that's what I see online. People doing really high quality work and getting really, really good results, but not enough people offering it. There's literally not enough people offering email marketing. And it's funny because before, and this is from what I see right on Twitter, but before email marketing was an absolutely massive thing. And I feel like people say, oh, email marketing is dead, email marketing is slowing down. It's slowing down because just less people are providing it. But the need for it is higher than ever. A known thing is to collect email subs. You're just targeting the wrong if you're selling this. Most people target companies for email marketing. Target coaches, target individuals that have social media followings, online followings. Okay? Truly a fantastic skill to learn and something that can be really, really profitable. You can take revenue share as well from people, and yeah, you've an absolute winner. Now, the next one to combine two of them is funnels. When you get good at copywriting, when you get good at landing pages and email marketing, you can now sell funnels. And some of my students do this, and they're making 3 to 5k per funnel. I've charged this amount myself as well for funnels, and even though I don't typically do them that often, but you can essentially do a landing page for someone, it's an opt-in page, and do the email sequence on the back end. So you have a lead magnet that's collecting emails, then an email sequence on the back end. Insanely profitable. Your clients can see the results very clearly and easily, and you can charge an absolute bag for it. Okay, so something to learn, but something to warm up to. You don't want to start with funnels immediately, generally, unless you have the skill set. So these are my top 3-4 ways I would start skills that I would start selling online if I was to start again. Thanks. If you enjoyed this video and you want more of this, check out my channel, subscribe, please. It would mean the world to me. And like this video. Take care. Thank you.